Welcome to the Sunny Tunes channel. All right, today's going to be a fairly unedited video, and this topic is going to be about finishing your beats, but also actually exporting them.
Okay.
So we're going back to my beat vault. This was created on July 4th, 2017 at 9:40, and then I randomly modified it at some point in between those years on December 6th, 2019.
Dudes, that's fucking haram. That's atrocious. That's disgusting.
Guys. Learn from me. Export your shit, man, because look at this. This is completely done. All right, so we're just going to go through here. And basically what I'm going to show you is kind of how you can set scenes up. So originally, this is what it looks like. When you create scenes, it's kind of like this. I'm a maniac. And you think of these concepts and add stuff, remove stuff. And then when it's time, you start to arrange it. It is essential to kind of do it as you go. So like, okay, I start with a melody. Okay, now I add a snare. Now I add an ARP. Okay, so the next scene, I'm just going to duplicate it like this. And then I'll tinker with it or add something, remove something, so on and so forth. It's best to do it like that. Now, it does sound like 2017. So that's basically 3 songs, I would say. And sometimes you get an idea, right? We all do this. We get an idea, we get 16 bars, and then I take one of the main melodies and then I change it. And then I think, oh, this could transition into something else. And then it looks kind of like this. So I like that melody and I was like, oh, I could transition that to this. Which I think is one beat here. This is one track. And then I duplicate it. You could take this, pull it this way. Now I'll just loop this. So you can arrange it this way. So if like I wanted to add scenes, you can create a scene. You can take that spot and you could duplicate. You can, when you have a lot going on, it almost seems like it's just overkill. So I just like to do it on here. This is 2017, man. This has been sitting here for a fucking minute and I completely forgot about it because I never exported it.
Jail!
That's where it was. It was in
Jail! 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 Jail!
So that's my idea behind it. You take a beat, go back to your old shit. I'm gonna say it. Fuck it. I'm the only guy to say this. I'm the only fucking guy to say this. Most people say, fuck that, get rid of your shit. Shit's probably trash anyway. It probably is. But I may look at something like this and I say, hey, this part is cool. As you go back to shit that you made 5-7 years ago that you never exported because you got fucking lazy even though the whole thing's ready to go. Or maybe I did export it, but I don't know what the hell I did with it. I never sold it. I'll tell you that. I never fucking sold the thing. I'm just trying to teach a lesson here, okay? You go through this motherfucker, and then you're like, look at all this work. I probably put hours on end on it. I'm going to give it for free anyway. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm very happy that I reached 100 subscribers. So anybody that subscribed to me, thank you very much. It means a lot. This goes back to our lesson of the day. Go back to your old shit. You probably got fire in there. And fucking export it. Because you probably got shit like this. This is 3 tracks here. I think this is 1. I think this is 2. And I think this one is 3 with an A and B. I don't know what I did. I never fucking exported this thing. And just sitting on hours and hours of work. So export your shit. Organize. Put it all together. And fucking give it away like me. That's what I'm doing. Free. Fucking 3 beats free. So thank you very much for subscribing. And the goal is 1,000. And at 1,000, I'm going to drop 30 tracks for free. Using your YouTube video, using whatever the fuck you want. Let's fucking get it, boys.